This is a cool little thing to do in your shop, a cool little thing to know about, which is when you're needing to clean up small parts like this, for instance, get those saw marks off, or maybe introduce a chamfer onto edges. Sometimes, easiest way to do this is instead of planing your work, I don't know, work your plane, is that what this would be about? I'm gonna clamp my block plane in the vise, and then now I'm just gonna use that like a jointer, a little bit of down pressure. Pass number one. Look at how much better those saw marks are already. One more. So, cleaned up the edge, or like I said, maybe you want to get some chamfers on there. It's just cool. It's not, you know, rocket science, but it's just thinking out of the box a little bit different way to use a hand plane instead of clamping the work in the vise and planing it, clamping the plane in the vise and working it. Is that how that works? I don't know. But it's cool. That's it. Just a simple little tip, getting you to use your tools maybe just a little bit differently.